If you're
So
outside
from
Bangalore.
like yeah, outside Bangalore. So like we joined on 16th. So the timesheets will it be maintained internally by you or how will it be? Like we'll not be able to
No, no,
submit
no.
it
I'll
on
tell
shift,
you.
right?
So this timesheet completely will be maintained by you guys. So that is what I was telling. Like timesheet and work from home update. These two will be maintained by employee itself. You only have to maintain. We'll just tell you how
Uh,
to maintain. And this
okay, no, I'm just
timesheet,
asking
Satuj, yeah.
for the first
Hmm.
2 weeks, like till we get access.
No, no,
So
I'll
how
tell
will
you. No, no, I'll tell you. So Saturja, see, once you got, see, you can access this arc from your personal laptop also. Okay, this is accessible.
okay,
So
okay.
this is accessible, and you can from your personal laptop also you can access this.
Okay, got it then. Fine. Like after we okay, fine. Okay. So
So
after
what?
we get the access, we can go to the timesheet and submit accordingly, right?
So I'll tell you. So that 2 weeks, what you will do is right. You will see timesheet as I told completely once you're allocated into project. So the chances are like you might be allocated to project by this weekend, and next weekend you might starting with the project. So that 2 weeks no need to enter timesheet.
Okay, got it. Okay, fine.
Okay, so as I told Satyaja, actually updating timesheet also completely on your reporting manager and your team structure. Okay, so once you are into project, take an example. You got a reporting manager. So at end of the call, I'll be giving you a reporting manager. Okay, so you just check with him tomorrow, or anyways you'll be introduced to your teams. Okay, so there you just check with your teammates. Are we maintaining timesheet? If yes, when I have to fill, or you can check with your reporting manager only. They will only tell you when to fill. Okay, no need to worry.
Okay, got it. Yeah, thank you.
Okay, so guys, timesheet as I told earlier only, it is completely once you are allocated in the project, once you start the work. So initially, I think so training sessions and all, they'll tell you it's if whether you have to maintain or not. That is completely up to your team. Okay, your reporting manager will tell you whether you have to maintain timesheet or not. So Saturji and others, if you ask me, so before I was maintaining timesheet. Okay, so now suddenly we stopped. Our team is not maintaining any timesheet. So we are not filling any timesheet only. So that is how. So if your team is maintaining timesheet, you have to fill. If no, no need to worry. Okay.
Yeah, got it. Thank you. Yeah.
Okay, Kishore.
Okay. Anyways,
Yeah,
you can
that's
check with your reporting manager or team. Also, if you find if they're not like if they did not respond, no, you let me know, guys. Let me know. Let me. You just ping me. I'll see. Anyways, end of the call, I'll be giving you a reporting manager and HRBP. These two are the people where you have to reach out for till you are in the organization. Uh, it might be like your reporting manager might keep changing also. That anyways you'll get to know. So these two people you can reach out for anything. And in an organization, if you need anything, these two are the persons. So whatever questions you have, you can always put those questions to these two people, HRBP and the reporting manager. If they are on leave, if you feel like they are not responding, just if reporting manager is not doing ping into HRBP, if HRBP is not doing, tell reporting manager. If both are busy, just ping us, okay, or just ping me, guys. So I'll just connect with the HRBP, like we all three can connect and talk over any issues we have. Okay, so I'll be available on team anytime, guys. So if I'm busy also, just ping me on the teams. And if you have any doubts in future, like any, so whatever fields I'm explaining, right? So whatever doubts you have, you might also, after this call, you might also feel like something is not things are not clear for me. So tomorrow also, if you want to get clear on something, just ping me on the teams. I can explain you again. Okay, so whatever doubts you have, you can always ping me, guys. I'll be always there. Okay, no need to worry. Got it?
Yes, Kishore.
Okay, Kishore.
Yes, Kishore. Yeah.
that's fine.
Okay. So this is our timesheet, guys. So as I told earlier, only timesheets. So till you're into team and your reporting manager says to maintain timesheet, no need to worry. You just check with your teammates. But I've just given you heads up how to fill the timesheet. Okay. Okay. So then we have main thing, guys. I'll just tell you. So let me go to home page first. Okay. So as I told, we have one my area section. Okay. So this is quite important, guys. So this is where you have to keep maintaining from today. Okay. I'll tell you what you have to maintain here. Okay. You just have to click on my area. Okay. So this is how your my area will look like, guys. So once your record is created, once you have got the access, just log in into Arc and see whether your name, photo, designation are reflecting correct or not. Okay, then you can see your employee ID, your manager, your primary skill and proficiency. So guys, primary skill and proficiency, no need to worry for now. As I told, you will be having one day full induction, right? So there they'll explain you on proficiency and COA and skills. So now no need to worry. You just have to see whether all the things whichever you have given at the time of onboarding, it's uh, reflecting correct or not. Okay, so then you can just click on more details. If you click on this more details, there your personal details will come in, guys. So personal details means it's like your date of birth, your father name, mother name, your address, everything will come there. So just cross check and see whether anything has to be changed. If you see any format change of any date is not given correctly or your address is not updated correctly, you can always write to this mail id hr-tickets@emails.com. Okay, when I'm explaining on this support central information, I'll tell you on this ID. So for now, we'll go one by one. Okay, if there is any change in the data, you can always write to HRF ticket saying that, hey, my date of birth is updated wrong in ARC. My address is updated wrong in ARC. Could you please correct it? So this is how you'll put the emails there. Okay, so then I will just go with one by one. Okay, so if you see, there is a dashboard where it's showing us leave/absence info. Okay, so guys, as I told earlier only, as we are all working virtually, there is no swipe in, swipe out details captures. There is a two things what we employees maintain, that is timesheet and work from home. So timesheet I have told completely based on your reporting manager and your team structure. If they tell you to maintain, you have to do. There you'll give the timings, like whatever work you do, you will give. So guys, there also, like if you are work for a single day, if you have worked only for 5 years, you can give 5 hours. You can also give 5 hours there, because it's not that single day you have worked for 5 hours, the next day you might have worked more than 9 hours, because you know, like work from home how it will work. See, before, when we are in office, there is a limit time. You have to stay in this office till this time only, then you have to go back to your home. Now it's like completely people are like, but the timings also it's like fluctuating in between. If you take any break, you might finish it in the later evening. This is how it will work. So those timings you can give in the timesheet. It's not that compulsory you have to give 9 hours only there. So that also you'll get to know once you're into project. Your teammates will help you there. Okay, if your teammates is not giving clear information, no, just ping me on Teams saying that, hey Kishore, I need help on the timesheet. Okay, we will work on it that time. Okay, so now we'll get back to the work from home. So guys, as work from home we are doing, and there is no capture of swipe in swipe out details, your attendance will be counted on this updates only. So here every employee has to go and update their work from home status, and any leave you have to update. So based on this only, your days will be calculated and your salary will be given for that particular month. Okay, I'll tell you how to update. Okay, so let me go with the leave balance first. Okay, how the leaves are given in emails and how you'll be able to utilize that, I'll tell. Then I'll tell you on the how to update work from home. Okay, if you see on the leave balance, leave absence info dashboard, you can see four options here. One is opening, created, utilized, and available. Okay, so guys, see, if you see opening balance, I got 18, 25 credited, utilized is 0, available is 43. I'll tell you how this works. And this is completely, guys, from Jan to Jan. Okay, so every, like, it's like calendar year. Okay, so every year in the Jan, your leave balance will be updated. Okay, for you, how it will be working, I'll tell you. Okay, so for you, opening balance will be 0, credited will be 25, utilized will be 0, available will be 0. Okay, so every year you will be credited 25 leave, guys. Okay, this 25, and after this you will have mandatory leaves like festival leaves. Okay, those mandatory leaves I'll tell you on the next part. So these two are the leaves will be available for you. Here, guys, in emits, we don't have any sick leave policy or unleave policy. Okay. Here, whatever leaves you take, you have to take from this 25 days only. There only you have to category it's a sick leave or any personal leave. Got it?
Yes, Kishore.
Yes. Yeah.
Okay. So 25 leaves will be created, you guys. So your opening balance will be zero. Created will be 25, utilized zero, available zero. And utilized and available, you know how it works. Like logically, if we use this leave, this 25 in this one will go. If utilized one will come here, and 23, 24 will be available. This is how it will work. So I'll tell you how this opening will work. Okay. So guys, take an example, 25 leaves you have. In this, you have utilized only 10 leaves. So you have only you have 15 leaves available. So December is nearing. So till December also you have not taken any leave. You have just taken only 10 leaves. Still 15 leaves are available. So what you do is, so December also you have not taken leave. So January how it will go means all that 15 leaves will not be going, guys. See, take an example. So 25 credited. You have utilized 10. Keep it as 25. 10 available is 15. Okay, so how for Saturji, I lost in between.
Yeah. Actually, there was a connection gap, so I was not able to hear you. So I DJ.
Okay, it's okay. Like when you have dropped it, I was just explaining on this work from home.
Yeah. I was there like available 43. You just explained like
Okay,
25
got it.
0 at 0.
Okay,
After
I'll
that, yeah.
explain from there only. Okay, yeah. So guys, yeah. So I was just telling on this. So Satyajit, there is no other like as other companies have. There is no separate leave policy here. So we have all the leaves wherever you take. It will be from 25 credited only. Okay, here only you have to category your leaves. I'll tell you how to category those leaves. Like sick leave, personal leave, you have to get it from this 25 only. Out of this 25 only, you'll be availing all those leaves. Okay, with this, you'll be having mandatory leaves. I'll tell you how mandatory leaves will work later. Okay, so those like mandatory leave, we have 11 leaves for a year. So 25 plus 11, like you'll be getting all in a year, 36 leave will be your leaves. Okay.
Okay, got it. Okay.
Okay. So guys, I was just explaining on the opening created, utilized and available. So this created, utilized, available, you'll be knowing how this will work. Opening, I'll tell you. So I was just telling, see, 25 is created for you for this year. You have utilized 10 leaves. Okay. 15 is available by end of the year, by December. Okay, so you are going to next month. So next month, how it will work, right? So that 15 days, out of 15 days, every year you can carry forward only 6 leaves, guys. Not all that 15 leaves will go. Okay, see, available 15 means 15 leaves you have. So 15 leaves, in that only 6 you can carry forward. Maximum is 6. Okay. You might also tell I had 15 leaves, 6 is carry for what are the remaining leaves? Remaining leaves will be lapsed, and that leave encashment will happen only at your time of relieving. Okay, at the time of relieving, you will be leave encashment will be done through your full and final settlement. Okay, so just make sure. So every year, guys, you can carry forward only 6 leaves. Every year means, see, first year 6, second year will be 6 plus 6, 12. Third year it will be 18. Fourth year will be 24. Fifth year will be 30. You might also ask Kishore, is this leaves can be added for till I'm this system? No. See, there is a limit also here, guys. See, every year you can carry forward 6 means you can carry forward only maximum of 30. After that, if you leave again more than 30 minutes, again those leaves will be lapsed. Again, it will go with 0. Again, that sixth year, you will carry forward only 6 leaves. So fifth year, you carry forward 30 leaves. Sixth year, it should be 36. No, it will not go like that. Maximum is 30. So sixth year, again, you'll start with 6. Again, seventh year, 6 plus 6, 12. Eighth year, 18. Ninth year, it will be 24. Again, 10th year will be 30. again it will go 0, again next 11th year will be 6. So every year you can carry forward only 6 leaves, and maximum is 30. If it exceeds more than 30 your balance, that will also be lapsed. So what you do is like, so every year you can carry forward 6 months, you will get to know how. Take an example, guys. So you might also ask me, Kishore, 25 is not enough for me. So anyways, this year you can't do anything. So what you do is make sure you plan in such a way like at least 19 leaves you will utilize for this complete year. You have 6 leaves. So that 6 leaves available will be your next year opening balance. So that is how the opening balance will come. So guys, as I told, I'm in the system for 3 years, 7 months, right? So my fourth year will be next in mid of this year. But my leave calculate will happen only by calendar year. Though if we join in between also, leave balance will be captured or calculated on calendar year like Jan to Jan. So every year I was carry forwarding 6 guys. So that is how my opening balance this for this fourth year it's like 18. Okay, it's like 6 plus 6 plus 6. Every year I carry forward 6. That is why my opening balance is 18. So if you see my opening balance is 18, credited is 25. Now I have 43 leaves. So that is how you have to plan. So first year you might also say that 25 is not you. It's not. It's like less for me. So make sure you just utilize all the leaves. At least keep 4 5 leaves, and that 4 5 leaves will be your next opening balance. So that for opening balance plus 25 will be 29 your next year balance. So that is how you will increase your leaves. And that is also completely on your interest case. You might also tell, Kishore, 25, I'm utilizing all the 25 leaves. It's okay. So next year opening balance will be 0. Again, 25 will be created. The next year also can utilize all the 25 leaves. It's completely up to you. And this you'll get to know once you're into system, how your leaves will calculate that and all you'll get to know. But basically, this is how the leaves structure will work, guys. Any doubt on this? No, that's fine.
Yeah, no doubts, Kishore.
Okay.
No.
So opening balance will be your next see available it will be your next opening balance. But available means not all the available. As I told, there is only 6 carry forward. So 6 will be your opening balance. Second year will be 12. Third year will be 18. Fourth year will be 24. Fifth year will be 30. That is completely if you leave only 6 leaves. You might also leave 4 leaves. So next year will be opening balance will be 4. That is how it will work. Okay. Okay, so this is about the leave dashboard, guys. So I'll tell you now how to update work from home and leave. Okay, so guys, here there are 3 options: apply leave, my approvals, and leave details. Okay, so guys, here you just have to worry on apply leave and leave details. Well, it is only for manager levels. Okay, so my approval in the sense like, see, if anyone a manager in this like in this onboarding call, so they will have report is, so they will have the work from say being a manager you have to manage all your leaves of your report is also. So whatever you approve or deny, that will come under your approval. So that is where you'll be using my approvals. Okay, so you just have to worry on apply leave and leave details. Okay, so just click on this apply leave. This is where you will updating work from home, guys. So this is where from today you have to you make this activity. You have to do, or this you can do it on daily basis, weekly basis, or 15 days once. I'll tell you how to do it. Okay, but this is the activity employee should do. There is no backend team or will be capturing this, because before we used to have swipe in swipe out details. Now we are working virtually, right? Employee only has to give the attendance status. Okay, I'll just tell you how to apply. Click on apply leave. So this is how the page will pop up. Okay, if you see on the type, we have few drop downs. If you click on this drop down, there is leave, comp off, work from home, business travel, paternity, optional holiday. Okay, okay, guys. So you just worry on this leave, comp of work from home, business travel, and paternity. This optional holiday and special holiday, I'll tell you. Okay. So they from this year before, guys, there if there was 11 mandatory leaves in a year, all those leaves were mandatory. Okay. in limits. Like we did not have any optional holidays or anything to opt for. So if company is giving 11 mandatory holidays, you have to take leave. So from this year, there is a change in the system. Okay, you can select. So under 11, you will have 7 mandatory leaves and remaining 4 to 5 remaining 4 or 5 you will have you can opt for optional holidays. Okay, so that is where you will use this option, optional holidays and my special day. Okay, this I will explain you when we go on the holiday calendar. Okay, this two you ignore. You just see on this part. Leave, comp off, work from home, business travel, and paternity. This when I explain on holiday calendar, I'll explain how to use this option. Okay. So guys, so we have 5 options: leave, comp off, work from home, business travel, and paternity. So guys, not all will be using paternity, so you can ignore this. Business travel, this also will be on rare cases. Okay, see, I'll tell you. So business travel means if you are going on a company's side, like if you are on a project thing, if you are going out, this is where you can update business travel. Okay, then we have comp off. Okay, comp off also you'll not be using now rarely. So two things we'll be using main is leave and work from home. See, work from home is nothing but guys, you are working on that day. Work from home is nothing but you are updating any leave or not. Work from home is just means you are working. So take an example. Today is 16th Jan. So I have not updated for this week. So what I do is, so what I do guys, every week, Monday morning, I'll go and update work from home status for my complete week. Okay, so take an example. So I have updated my work from home status till which is on 13th Jan. Okay, from today I have to update work from home status. So what I do is I select work from home, select the date from 16th Jan to 20th Jan. I will give the reason as BCP, business continuity planning. You can give work from home only here, submit. Okay, once it's submitted successfully, you just go on, check on leave details. Okay, see here from 16 Jan till 20th Jan, my status is updated as work from home. My status is still pending. Once my manager is approved, it will show as approved. Okay, this is how you will update work from home, guys. And this you can update for a week. Daily also you can update for a week. You can update 15 days also you can update. Monthly also you can update. Okay, so take an example. You have started with Jan, 16 Jan. So select work from home from 16 Jan till 31st Jan. You update work from home status. Reason as work from home, submit. So 15 days, you no need to worry on updating work from home, guys. So why we are telling this means in between you might get like you might forgot the updating work from home. So this feature has 24 hours time, guys. So take an example, 16 January you have joined. So you might get the access late evening or in the night also. So you might not able to update work from home. So what you do is tomorrow morning, first thing you will go and do is update work from home for 16 January. Because if you leave tomorrow end of the day, what it happens no after 24 hours, it will update as auto leave updated by HR. So that means you have not updated anything for that particular day and it was blank. So that is why automatically that day is calculated as leave. Okay, how it will show, I'll just show you. So this is how it will show if it's auto updated by HR. Okay, this you can also from back end you can convert it into work from home, guys. But I'll tell you what is the see that is a quite long process. I'll tell you. So for this thing you have to be note. You should notice that particular day it is went as auto updated by HR. Then this you have to inform to your reporting manager saying that I have worked on that particular day, but I could not update in the work from home status. Could you please help me? So what you can do is you can write to our team saying that hi team, I have worked on this particular day and I could not update the work from home status. Could you please update work from home status for that particular day from backend? So what our team does, right? So our team will take your reporting manager up and they will convert this particular day into work from home. Okay, so that is why you have to update in prior only. See, that is a big process. Okay, you have to reach out to our team. Our team will take your reporting manager's approval. So then your reporting manager has to approve. It is a 1 or 2 days activities. Okay, so that also you have to make sure within the end of the month you'll do, because see, take an example, this leaves whichever goes by auto leave updated by HR, no, that will be on loss of pay, guys. It will be on LOP, because here they have clearly given you option of apply leave. Here, if you select that particular day as leave, then it will not be your LOP. If you have not selected anything, no, that day goes as auto updated by HR. And if you have forget to notice that, and even your reporting manager forget to notice that, by end of the month, both of you are not aware, and month has passed, in that 1 day salary will be deducted from your salary. So that is why you have to keep checking this leave details. Okay, from today till you are in this organization, make sure each and every day is either given work from home or leave. Okay, you have to make sure anything, some or the other thing is updated in this tool. Otherwise, you cannot keep any day blank, guys. Okay, so you
Okay.
might also ask, okay, you might also ask me, Kishore, what if I update for 15 days in prior only, and what if I go on emergency leave? There is also, you can all, there is one more option, guys. Okay, so take an example from 16 Jan till 31st Jan, you have updated work from home. In between 28th Jan, you want to take leave, but you have updated work from home. So that time, no need to worry. So what you do is just click on this into action. 1 minute. So guys, sorry guys. So you have updated from 16th Jan to 31st Jan, right? So in between 28th Jan, you are going on emergency leave. So what you do is, so see, take an example. If you are going on emergency leave, prior only you will not be able to update. It's okay. 28th you leave. 21st you will come, right? 21st you will come, or Monday, which is on 23rd. Okay, 23rd you will come. What you do is go on, click on this action. Here you'll be have a set of days you have applied work from home. You want here you have taken leave only for 20th, right? Remove 20th from the list. Okay, see, it is cancelled. Done. Okay, see, 20th is cancelled from the list. Okay, so what you do is go again up here, select leave. You have applied leave on 20th. Now select 20th, 20th to 20th. Select give as sick leave. Submit. So that particular day you will be reapplying it as sick leave. So that leave also is calculated. So that is how you will give your leave update, guys. And this leave you can give full day, off day also. Off day, full day option is there.
So half day means first half or like second half?
That is up to you. You can give the timings there. I'll just show you it. See, half day if you give, see here dates. You can see morning or afternoon.
Okay.
You'll have the option. Okay, so guys, you can also
Apply
update
for
your
half day, so it
future.
will be like
Yeah, sorry, go ahead.
yeah, Kishore, just wanted to ask, like, suppose if anyone applies for half day, so
Hmm.
would it be like minimum of four hours or 4.5 hours work, or is it that anything
So Satyaj,
mentally
yeah,
how
see
many
here,
hours
9 hours means 1 hour you leave for lunch. Okay, so minimum will
Mhm.
be your 8 hours, right? So after it's like 4 only.
Yeah. So 4 hours
Here,
minimum we have
Satuja,
to be
see, I'll
at
tell you,
apply.
see, that
Yeah.
is where you have the flexibility in limits. So here, people will see if you are half day also will not tell you to work for 4 hours. It's completely on your team structure. Okay. If your reporting manager has to tell you half day means you have to give 4 hours, you have to give. You have some managers where half day means you can log in for 2 hours also. Okay, it's complete. See, this flexibility we have in limits. Here, no one will ask you
Okay.
on the timings, guys. It's just like you have to complete your work and it is completely on you. Like whether you complete that work in 1 hour, 2 hour, it's completely you. So half day means minimum logically it's like 4 hours, but you might tell, see, it's not like I will log in only for 2 hours and you can consider as half day. That also you can do completely between you and your reporting manager.
Okay, got it. Yeah.
Okay. Because we have some managers where like in our team only they'll take half day but they might work for 2.5 hours, so that is also like, and that will go like you'll get to know once you are into complete project. But you can avail the option here, but this is automated system, right? System will not know on the hours and all, so that is where you will give the half day here. And some days, guys, I'll tell you, say there is one more flexibility also. See, there is no need option of applying leave for half day. Okay, I'll tell you why. Because you might apply that particular day as work from home only. But you can tell your manager, so I have some emergency work today. I'll be logging in only for 4 hours and remaining work I'll do it on next day. No need to apply leave also for that half day. Okay, it's completely up to you and reporting manager. See, my manager also in my team, if they have some work, they what they do is today they'll log in only for 3 to 4 hours, but they'll not apply a leave for that half day. They'll it will be considered as a work from home only. But tomorrow we'll be extending our work, and that also your reporting manager will not check. So tomorrow might Satyaja, he might ask you, Satyaja, you have worked yesterday only 4 hours, so that you today you have to work for like 8 to 10 hours. No, not like that. They'll not ask you. They want the things to be completed. That's all. So that flexibility you have here, guys.
And we can
Yeah.
update like 12 hour in the next day, right?
That is where
Oh,
timesheet will come up. So in timesheet, that is where you will give the timings there. So in timesheet for Monday, you have given only 5 hours. So Tuesday, I'll give 12 hours.
okay, yeah.
That is where you like you'll be uh, calculate like things, the times will be you are managing, so that is completely on you. And here reporting manager will not ask you also this. See, some reporting manager might ask, some might not ask, but emails has this flexibility. Okay, it's completely on the work. If we complete work within the small time and if we go on emergency leave, that is okay. If there is huge work, and that is where if we are taking early leave, right? So that is where things will like not happen as I told. So you'll get to know once you're into as you are all experienced, right? You also might be knowing. So, so guys, here future leaves also you can update, guys. Just click on apply leave. So take an example in February, you have 1 week plan. So applies. Take an example from 13 February to 17 February, you have leave plans. Apply it prior only. Give marriage as the reason, submit and leave. So see guys, here whatever leave you are updating, you have to inform your reporting manager. Work from home, no need to inform your reporting manager, because I'll tell you, see, work from home is nothing but you are working. Leave means you are taking leave, so that you have to notify your reporting manager. So if you are taking leave, for future, just update on tool and tell your reporting manager, hey, I have updated leave for this particular day. I'm on that, I'm at some function, or I'm going, or I'm on emergency, so that he'll approve. Okay, just give a heads up on your leaves. That's all. Work from home, no need to inform your reporting manager. Only on the leave part, you have to inform him.
Okay.
Okay, but make sure, guys, from today, not even a single day you will come that day as blank. Either it should be updated as work from home or leave. Okay, there's one more doubt you will get. Kishore, next week I'm coming to office. What if that day, if I'm in office, no need to update work from home? No, you might ask me. No, see, though you are in office, So in order to get into office, you will have the access card and you will swipe in and swipe out. But that doesn't mean you have given your attendance there, because see, whole company is working from work from home. Like, so all those data will be captured. Payroll will be taking this data only. If you swipe in for that particular day, that data will be not captured. Though you are in office also, you have to update your status in this tool only. In my area only, you have to update that particular day as work from home only, because there is no option as work from office. Okay, we have only working months, that is as work from home only. So you just give us status as work from home,
Yeah, okay.
though you're in office. Okay, so that is why guys, at least work for update for a week or for 15 days for it, or a monthly, because that remaining days you no need to worry whether I have updated work from home or not. Okay, but just keep checking on this leave details whether all things are getting captured or not. If there is any issue on this, I will tell you whom to reach out for. When I explain the support central information, I'll tell you whom to reach out. Okay, so for any doubt on this, guys?
No, Kishore. No.
No, no, that's fine.
Okay, so here also guys, if you get any doubt on anything, so today or tomorrow or day after tomorrow or next week, you can ping me anytime, Kishore. I just need a clarity on work from home updates again. Could you please explain me? Okay, once I'm free, I'll just connect with you and I'll explain. Okay, guys, no need to worry. You can ping me on Teams. As I told, on my Team's name is Kishore Sudarshan. Okay, just ping me on the Teams and you can ask me, Kishore, can you guide me on the work from home updates? Again, I'll be happy to help you. Okay, no need to worry. Okay, guys. So I'll be moving on the next part. Okay, so next is support central information. Okay, so these are the supporting functions mail ID, guys. So in you will be working on certain projects, no, you will not be knowing whom to reach out for. That is why we have added this features here, because here only who you will get to know who are the supporting functions and whom to reach out for. Here clearly they have given admin facilities tickets at image zone. This is the mail ID. So in future, if you have any doubt related to admin facilities, be it with laptop, you can always write to facilities-tickets at teammates.com. So you did not get the laptop only. It's been like 7 days, 8 days, you have not got the laptop. Just write an email to facilities-tickets that I have not got my laptop. Kindly update my status. This is how you'll use this mail ID. Same way IT. So guys, IT also you'll be using this ID for the frequent times, because you might be getting some login issues, Outlook issues, Teams issues, password expire. All these things will be coming in futures. So that is where you will use this ID, IT-tickets at emails.com. Same way, you'll be using travel desk. So travel desk, guys, it will be on, see, travel desk and employer referral. These two are the rare cases where you will use. So travel desk, if you are going on a business travel from company side, so that is where you will be using this travel desk. Okay, because all your accommodation tickets will be from company end. So that is where you will check the status here, travel-tickets at image.com. Okay, same way employer referral. So employer referral also will be, see, if only if you have referred any employee, if you want to know the status, anything on the employer referral, you can write to a referral-tickets at emails.com. Otherwise, no need to touch on this mail ID. Okay, so then we have three main functions where you will be reaching out to them on the majority case. One is human resource, arc support, and finance. Finance, you know, guys. So whatever, see, once you got your first salary, if you want to anything check on your pay slip, Form 11, Form 16, you want to declare task, you have something to some issues or some queries on the payroll, you can always write to payroll-tickets at image.com. So same way guys, arc support. So this is the arc, right? So in this arc, any field is not opening or not working. Take an example of work from home only. You are not able to apply leave only. This feature is not working. Write to arc-tickets at image. Hey team, I'm not able to update work from home for this feature is not working. Could you please help me here? So they will help you there. So same way, so whatever issues you have with this arc, right? You can always write to arc-tickets at image.com. Same way, guys. If anything you want to update on your personal data, like take an example in future, you want to update your spouse details, children's detail, you want to change your address, you want to change your photo, you can always put in those requests to hrfntickets at image.com. Okay, there is not only those issues. See, if you feel like you gotten some issue, take an example, you got an issue on the insurance, you don't know whom to reach out for. Though I'll be giving the a representative number, you might forget in future. So that time no need to worry. If it's insurance also, if it's related to payroll also, you can always write to HRF1 ticket saying that, hey team, I have doubt on payroll, or I have doubt on insurance, could you please help me there? So there what we will do is we will loop the certain like respective team there and we'll tell them to close for you. So that is well. So whatever issues you get in future, guys, you can always write to HRFN tickets also if you don't know whom to reach out for. So that what we do is we HR team, we will group a respective team and we'll tell them to help you. Okay.
Yeah.
So
Yes,
guys,
Kishore.
here all this are like all those requests whichever share for this IDs, right? It will be converted into ticket, guys. So it's a ticket system. Okay, so here the ticket will have timeline for end of the day. So if you have raised the ticket by today evening, tomorrow till tomorrow evening, that certain team has time to reply to your context. Okay, so just make sure you give them time till end of the day. Okay, so take an example, morning, early morning only you have raised request. So please give them time till end of the day, because uh, it will be handled by 2 or 3 people. So in what they do is they'll be working on some other task. So this is also their part of the task. So they will make sure they will reply to you by end of the day. They have to reply by end of the day. You just give them end of the day time, guys.
Okay.
Okay. So next is I'll be moving on to next thing. So far, any doubt, guys? Any doubt on this thing?
I think
No, Kishore.
Okay. If you have any doubt, also as I told, one day full induction will be there. There you can clarify, or you can always reach out to me on Teams. I will explain you again. So no need to worry. Okay,
okay.
so then we have two other options here is policy hub and suppression request, guys. So policy hub, we have a separate field here. So that time I'll be explaining, no need to worry. And suppression is nothing but your e-suppression, guys. So whenever you are resigning there, you have to use this suppression request. So now no need to worry, leave that option. Okay, then we have here self-service portal. Okay, I'll just tell you what is self-service portal. Okay, this is the self-service portal, guys. Okay, here the self-service portal says as letters. Here you have 3 letters. Okay, visa, address proof, and employment. See, address proof, click on preview. How this is how the letter will be given to you. Okay, it will show you. Then you have to email letter. Once you click on email letter, this particular letter will be shoot out to your office mail ID, and from there you can use it for references. Like some might ask for loan purpose, some might ask for some other pur- purpose. So that is where you will be using. So this self-service portal, why we have given for you only to operate this. So here you can always write to HRFN tickets also saying that I'm not, can you please issue me address proof? As I told, it's like one day activity. You have to wait till end of the day. So if things are urgent, you can use this self-service portal and you can download by yourself only. Okay, you no need to wait for other team to give you these letters. Only these 3 letters where you can utilize. Okay, if this tool is not working or if this option is not working, that is where you will write to HRFN tickets. Hey team, I have can you please provide me address proof as I am not able to download from self service portal. So what we do is we will get you the address proof later. Okay, this is about self service portal, guys. Okay.
Okay.
Okay, so this is about my area. So my area, like I explained all on this, but please make sure on updating work from home, guys. Okay, make sure from today either you update work from home or leave. Okay, only these things, two things should be updated. If it's you are working means keep as work from home. If you are taking leave, select it as leave. Okay, all others option is like no need to worry. When I'm explaining on holiday calendar, I'll tell you on the optional holiday and special day. Okay, then we'll go to next topic. Okay, so we were here timesheet. Okay, so then we have Ray. Okay, so Ray is nothing but the abbreviation for Ray is refer another you guys. So here you'll have set of job openings. So you can just click on more details and see what are the criteria. Okay, so based on this, you can go and refer your any of your colleagues, friends, or family. Okay, so you have set of opportunities open here. You can just go and see and refer anyone from here.
Mhm.
Okay, got it.
Yeah.
Yes, yes.
Okay, so employee referral policy and all, I'll tell you when I go on this policy hub. We'll just go one by one. Okay, so after we have Emits Academy and Lynchpin, guys. These two are the courses, guys. So Emits Academy is the e-learning platform. Lynchpin is the online courses. Okay, I'll explain one by one. We'll go to Emits Academy first. So Emits Academy is nothing but an e-learning platform, guys, and this is a non-mandatory. Okay, it's not mandatory for you to either take up this course or not. It is completely on your interest. Okay, if you want to take any course, you can take, or if your reporting manager is telling you to take some course, then only you have to take. Otherwise, you can completely ignore this. I'm just opening that dashboard. So this is how the Emits Academy dashboard will look like. Here you have to just go on to library. Okay, here, see, here you can see set of topics out of your skill set also it will be there. Okay, if you feel anything is suitable to you or you want to learn on this, you can make use of these options. Okay, here you have these topics. These are the main topics. Under this, you have subtopics. This is how you can go and check. Okay. This is completely non-mandatory, guys. If you have like completely on employees' interest, if you want to go and check on this courses, you can check. Okay, unless your reporting manager tell you to go, just go and do this course. Okay, completely on your interest. You can see once you got the access, right? Just go to Image Academy and see what all the topics is here and see whether it is applicable for you or not. Like you want to, if you want to learn, you can learn. Okay.
Yeah.
So then we have Lynchpin. Okay. So Lynchpin is a online course, guys, and this is mandatory. You have to complete this. Okay. It will be under my courses and my curricula. Okay. These are mandatory courses, guys. This, if you don't do in a particular time, it will be a compliance issue. Okay, so here this course how it will be, I'll just tell you. Okay, this online courses, it's all like completely that is nothing to do with your project. It's completely on overall on company's uh, perspective. Okay, see, take an example. We have topics like protect yourself from phishing, information security, and privacy training. So like this the topics will be. Okay, if you click on this option, there it will take you to through tabs or videos. Okay, so that particular courses will consist of a tabs or PPT or a video. So you have to go through what all the information they have given there. After that, you will have a question and answers session, guys. So it will be an objective type. You just have to select the options from that. Okay, correct answers. Okay, then you have to submit. So guys, few courses will don't will like you can give a number of wrong answers or correct answers. It will show you as scores completed. But few topics or courses are there where you have to give minimum 60% right answers. Okay, so that case, there also no need to worry. You have the option of retaking that quiz how many times ever you want. But that doesn't mean we will take it more than 4 to 5 times. I'll tell you because see, 15 to 20 questions will be given. So if you give the answers and submit it, there only it will show which is right answer and which is wrong answer. Okay, so what you do is the first time if you are not given 60% correct answers, same questions will be asked for the second time, third time, fourth time. Same set of questions will be asked and same set of objectives types you will have. So fourth or fifth time you'll get to know what will be the answer, correct answer, because it will be only showing you what is the right answer. So that time you can complete. So once you are completed, it will show as completed and you will get an email from Lynchpin saying that you have completed this course and that email will be sent to your office mail ID. Okay, so guys, this courses will have a particular time where will be listed here and you have to do within that particular time. So initially for you guys, you will have 8 to 10, 10 to 12 working days if, to complete your linchpin courses. Okay, so initially you'll get only 2 or 3. Within 10 to 12 working days, you just complete those linchpin courses. So once you are into, after that, once you have completed all those 3 or 2 courses, again, in due course, like once you are into employment, again you'll be getting an courses, so that you'll get to know when to fill in and when to close. Make sure you at least close them by 20 days, or you just take 20 days or 30 days overdue. That's all. Because more than that, if you take means again compliance team might ask why you have not completed that particular course. Okay, so these courses, guys, you all the option of retaking it again. See, redo is nothing but you can retake this course again and you can complete it. Okay, this is about linchpin course, guys. Any doubt on this?
No.
No.
Okay, once you are into system, you'll get to know. Once you open that particular topic, no, you'll all simple questions will be there. You'll get to know. Okay, so then we have payroll login. Okay, so payroll login I'll not be opening guys because it will be having my payroll details. Okay, so I'll tell you what it will be. So in payroll detail, you'll be able to log in only once your first salary is created. Okay, once your first salary is created, you can log in into payroll. And once you log in into payroll, there it will includes of all your payroll data, salary slip. You can declare your tax and all those form 11, form 16 you can download. That is what you can do in payroll login. Okay, so we'll go on to next part. So career development. So guys, here you just have to worry on cafe skill matrix and IDP. It is not for us. You just ignore that. So cafe, I'll tell you. So cafe is nothing but career advancement framework. We call it as cafe, career advancement framework. This also, guys, no need to worry for now. If you are eligible, if you have to be eligible for this career development programs, minimum 18 months you have to complete in this organization. Okay, so then only you'll be eligible for career development programs. Okay, so here how to know that? If you want to just check on the information, you can just click on no more. Okay, just click on the no more. See here, guidelines and career path. Career path. Okay, and you can also check on roles and competencies. Based on your designation, your roles and competencies will be given. Just go and see whatever is given there. But make sure minimum 18 months you have to complete in a system to be eligible for this career development programs. So now no need to worry. So whenever you have this time, just go ahead and have a view on this career development programs, whatever development programs we have. Okay. So then we have policy hub. Okay. So here also guys, see why we are not explaining in thorough on all these things are like, see policy hub, you have n number of policies here. Okay, under accounts, under general. So if we keep on explaining everything, no, your day will be get bored and like it will be like confuse you. So this is all like you can read it by yourself. So what we do is we'll just guide you how to use this option. Okay, see here also policy hub. Here you can go and read out the policies whatever is required for you. Okay, here also if you don't find it here, here are the are where most viewed policies. Okay, most of the people have used this policies only. From here only you can get to know. Okay, employer referral also will come here only. So whatever policies you want to know, you just can just go and see. So whenever you have time, you can just go on look on the policies. If we keep explaining now, no, it will take more time. Okay, so this is how you will get see. This is how the allowance will be. You just have to click and view and see what all the policies we have. Okay, this is about policy, guys. So then we have holiday calendar. Okay, these are the mandatory leaves, guys. Okay. Okay. So guys, if you see this, the holiday calendar is divided into three types. One is fixed holiday, optional holiday, and my special day. Okay, I'll just explain you. Okay, so these are the mandatory holidays, guys, fixed holidays. These days you have to take leave. There is no option. You cannot. You though if you are not like the complete company will be on leave on these days. This you cannot opt for any optional. These are the fixed leaves. But out of this, we have six more leaves where you can use this as optional. Guys, this optional leaves, right? Either you can take leave on the any 3 days, I think. Okay, that you'll get to know once. Okay, not all the optional leaves you can take. Either you can take leave or work on these days. Okay, so your leaves will be calculated, right? Wait, just a minute. You will get an email from corporate communication only, like how your leaves are calculated. Just a minute. I'm just opening that leave calendar. Just give me a minute. I have that mail from corporate communication. Okay, so all this thing, guys, whatever updates you get on this leaves or anything, any change in the system, right? You will get it from corporate communication. Okay, let me share my screen. Is my screen visible?
Yes.
Yes,
Okay.
Kishore.
Okay. So guys, as I told, fixed holidays will be 7. Okay, these are the fixed leaves. So which is there in this holiday calendar itself. So you see, here 7 leaves. 7 leaves are fixed leaves, and remaining 6 which they have given no optional holidays. You can choose only 3. Okay, in the 6 you can only choose only 3. That means in this 6 leaves you can either opt for any 3 leaves. Like you can opt for Holi or Ganesha Chaturthi and Dasara, and other 3 you have to work. Apart from that, you will get one special day. One special day means birthday, self and immediate family member, anniversary, annual health checkup, like this. So it's like 7 plus 3, 10 plus 1, 11. So in a year, you will be having 11 leaves, guys. Got it? And this also you have to check by location, guys. In India, we have 3 locations, no? Check by location. For Bangalore, this is the holiday calendar. For Hyderabad, this is the holiday calendar. And for Noida. You just have to go and check by your location and you have to plan in such a way. This 7 days is fixed. In this 6, you can opt for only 3 and one special day.
Okay.
How to avail this? As I told earlier, only go to my area, apply leave. Here, select as optional day. If you are selecting from optional day, select as optional day and give that particular day, and special day, give a special day, give that particular day and submit. Yeah, this is how you will use that optional and special day. Any doubt on this holiday calendar days?
No, Kishore.
No.
Okay, you'll get to know once you're into system. It's like minimum, so maximum is 11. 11 you have to take. How you will take? 7 is fixed. 3 you have optional. So among 6 leaves you have to take 3 leaves and 1 is special day. Got it? I think Somshekhar Rao has one. Yeah, Somshekhar Rao. Yes, you are audible. It's okay. You can ask any questions, Someshwar. Yeah. Okay. So that Someshwara, you have to check with your team. Okay. So once you're allocated into project, you can check with your reporting manager or HRBP. Okay. Anyways, end of the call, I'll be giving their details with you people. So you can, I told you, right, whatever issues you have in your employment time or anything, see some things you cannot discuss with your reporting managers. So those things you can discuss with your HRBP, because HRBP will be the one who will support you till you in your this organization. Okay, so all related these questions you can put it to them. Okay, they'll guide you there. Okay, so then we have survey and performance based. So feedback, I have told you earlier only. So this arrow mark is the feedback. Okay, so then we have survey and performance. Okay, just I'll go on survey. Okay, so surveys also, guys, see, surveys also like these are like mandatory. You have to complete this survey. So you will be assigned, like every employee will be assigned to some surveys. It's like overall, it's like surveys will be allocated for all the employees. Okay, the surveys are like, see, EMIT's response to COVID-19 pandemic, employer referral survey, ERP project name poll. So this is how the surveys will be. Here you just have to give back your feedbacks there. So this is the survey. So survey, it's like completely mandatory and you have to complete within the given time. So here only due date is given. Ends on 17 July, ends on 27th August. This is how. So this is how it will be given and you have to complete that certain courses, surveys within the given time. Okay. So guys, survey and linchpin, you will get an email. So though, see, you might also tell Kishore, I'll be not active on my personal inbox because I'll be working on some other reports or some Excels or some software. So take an example, you do. So that time also no need to worry. If any linchpin course is assigned to you or any service is assigned to you, you can always go and check in this dashboards only. If it is any assigned, you'll get to know in the dashboard only. No need to worry. See, linchpin and all, you'll be getting notification here only. Like 1 is pending, 2, 3. You'll get a numbers here with the red notification. But survey, you'll not get any notification. You just have to go and check on the dashboard. If you see, they have allocated for me 5 surveys, 3 completed, 2 expert. Pending are 0. If there is any pending survey, no, it will come as 1. This is how you can go and check. Okay, this is about survey. Then we have performance. So performance also, this team dashboard and templates, no need to worry. This is not for us. Just go on my dashboard. Okay. So performance appraisal, guys, in a year, it will be done twice, like 6 months once. So once you have completed 6 months, your first appraisal will be given and it will be assigned from your HRBP. Okay. So your HRBP will assign to you and it will have a due date. Okay, like this. You have to give all your comments there. So here, how to fill that? You can take take help of your teammates for the first time. We'll just guide you how to do it. I'll just give you a heads up how it will be. Okay, see, performance appraiser, it's completely come up with 4-5 options. Okay, and it will be calculated by percentage wise, like 10%, 20%, and 30% like that. Okay, and for that, some set of questions will be asked. You have to give all your answers there. Like questions means, see, whatever work you do, like initially you'll be in KTs, like knowledge transfer, like trainings. You'll be in trainings, then you'll start on work. So all those things you'll put there. Like initially, I've started my career here, and I went into training. Then my team helped me to give trainings on this. Then I started work on this particular topic. This is how you'll give all your comments. So for that, rating is there. So employee has to give rating. So based on this, once you give the rating and you have to submit that within the particular time. Once you submit, your reporting manager will review that. So your reporting manager will review and he will also give his comments and ratings for you. So after your reporting manager is given, that is the final rating will be given and that will be sent to your HRBP. So your HRBP will decide the hike for you, hike or promotion. And hike you will be getting like yearly. Okay, it will be on yearly. Okay, so Jan you have joined. So next Jan 24 you will be your hike cycle. But performance appraisal will happen twice in a year. Got it?
Yes, Kishore.
Okay. So this is about all the fields, guys. So I have left with only reward X here. As I told, I'll be explaining last week. Let me go on reward X. Okay. So this rewards is completely given by emit side, guys. Okay. So we have three categories in the reward section. Okay. So in emits, we have three awards where it will be given to the employee and employee will be nominated for it. One is cause for applause, star award, and annual award. I'll repeating again, cause for applause. Okay, so cause for applause is a monthly uh, reward where it will be given to the employee by the reporting manager. Okay, so every month your reporting manager has to nominate any of your teammate for cause for applause. It's not that compulsory every month they have to do. If they feel like giving for this particular month to any of his teammates, he can give, he or she. Okay, it is completely cause for applause will be like every month will be given. Star award it's a quarterly award. Okay, then we have annual award. Annual award by the name it says annual award. So annual award we have subcategories there. So I'll tell you on the next part. Okay, so let us come for cause for applause. So cause for applause will come with 750 points, trophy and a certificate, guys. So 750 points is nothing but 750 rupees for you. So all these 750 rupees, you can convert them or redeem them to vouchers and you can buy something. Okay. Same way, Star Award also comes with trophy and a certificate and 1500 points. Okay. That is also like 1500 is nothing but 1500 rupees. Same way, annual award, we have different awards. So one among them is CEO awards. Okay. So CEO awards, which comes with 5000 points, but that is annual award. See, completely it will come on rate basis. See, CFO awards will be given only people who have completed 4 years, 5 years, and they have done that excellent job. So that is on rare cases. So you just have to worry on star award and cause for applause. Okay, so guys, cause for applause and star award. Whenever we were in company, we used to have team stand up or team catch up every month. So that is where your reporting manager or HRBP used to award you with trophy and certificates, and points used to come in the tool only. Like it will be automated. It will be created to your reward store. See, this is where the point section will come. If you see on the reward store, there is 0 point. If 750 cost for applause is given to you, 750 points will come and sit here. Star award is given to you, 1500 points will come and sit here. Okay, this is how the reward store will run. Same way, guys. So, cause for applause and star awards, whenever in company, every month we used to have team stand up. So that is where they were giving. Now it's like completely virtual, right? So you will have team catch up and team stand up in teams only. So that is where your reporting manager might award you with whenever all your teammates are there. Okay, so that is how they'll give. There now you are not getting any trophy or certificate. You will be just uploaded on the over the email. You'll be getting an email that you have awarded cause for applause or star award, and the points will come and sit here. Trophies and certificates, I think once you are in office, you will be able to collect it. Okay. So annual awards will be given at the time of founding day, guys. So every year used to have a founding day where it used to be a physical event where every employee or the leadership team used to celebrate that event. Like we used to have different set of like games or we used to have different activities or any entertainment. With that, awards also will be given. Like we used to so as before like COVID, we were having founding day mostly on February. Every year February used to have founding day. So there you will be called on the dais where all people will be there, even with their family. Like you can get your family also there, like your parents, you can brothers, sisters, you can call them also. Like it will be an event. Okay, there on the dais you will be given with the trophy and the certificate for the annual awards like CU awards and all, and 5,000 points, or it will be like you'll get to know annual awards which comes with different points. Okay, so those points will come and sit in your reward store. That is like this point, reward store. Okay, this is how the award things will work, guys. Okay, so this is how the reward X store dashboard. See, if you see, you can see a birthday trigger has been went, and anniversary. Anniversary means see this Elaboration has completed 6th anniversary. This is how the dashboard will be. And also you can see if anyone of you are given with any award, no, that also will be there. Okay, see. So bronze award. Okay, Emates has rewarded a bronze award for Shrikant. You made the difference in hiring talent during the period. This is how. Okay, so this is how the awards will be given for you. See, cause for applause. Okay, cause for applause. Okay, Pallavi was R was awarded by Shraddha Jain. She Shraddha Jain is the HRBP. Okay, she has awarded Pallavi RS for cause for applause. This is how the dashboard will look like. Okay, I'll tell you how to use the points. Okay, so those points will come and sit here, guys. Just click on these points. Here you can convert them into this vouchers like Amazon Pay, Amazon Shopping voucher, Flipkart, Myntra, Zomato, Swiggy, and all. Okay, so guys, here you might also ask me, Kishore, 750 is not enough for me. What I'll do with 750 rupees? Okay, so guys, no need to worry. This can be added up. You can wait till that amount comes to 3-4,000. Okay, so but you have the limit only till 3 years, guys. So take an example, cause for applause in a year, you might get 4 to 5 awards. Or take an example, in 2 years, you have got 10 cause for applause. So that comes to 7,500. Okay, so that time, all those 7,500, you will convert and buy something. So you will wait that amount to be at some fixed amount so that you can buy something. Okay, you will wait. But make sure you wait only till 3 years, guys. So after 3 years, all your rewards will be lapsed. It has time limit only for 3 years, guys. So make sure you utilize all your rewards within 3 years because this is your points, like your hard-earned points. So based on your excellent work, you will be rewarded, and this is your points. You have to utilize it, and make sure if at all you are resigning and you're leaving the company, make sure you utilize all this and leave, guys. So once you are out of the organization, it is hard to claim the rewards. Okay. So once you're in organization, make sure you utilize all your points and keep it as 0. If you wait also, it's okay, but make sure you wait till only 3 years, guys. Not more than that. Okay, got it?
Yes, yes, Kishore.
Okay, guys. So for any doubt on the anything, guys, we have done with all the these fields. We have only bank account and insurance. So next part I'll cover. So for any doubt on the any field, guys.
No,
Now
Kishore,
got it.
things are clear now.
Okay. As I told, you'll be having 1 day, full day induction there. You'll get things cleared, and also you can ping me anytime. So whenever there is a question arises to you, you can always check with me. Okay. So guys, I'm just stopping my screen sharing. I'll just open that PPT and I'll talk on the insurance and this bank account. Okay. So guys, insurance and PF deduction will happen only for the permanent employees. Okay, not for the contractors and special. Okay, let me open the PPT. Just give me a minute. Another 20 minutes, guys. We'll just finish this thing. Okay.
Yeah, okay, Keshav.
I'll just explain you on the insurance and the bank account. Guys, meanwhile, do you have any idea how this emits name has come up? How we got the name emits?
Yeah.
Okay, I'll tell you. Okay, so this I think even when I was joining here, even I could not guess it because this is a personal story of Saurabh Sinha. He is the CEO of our company, right? So Saurabh Sinha, when he was in Calicut during his studies, okay. So he when he was in Calicut during his studies, he was staying in E Block, guys. Okay, that block name was called as E Block, and that E block was in mid wing. Okay, so he used to stay with friends in E block, and it was called as a mid wing. So that is where the name has straight to Saurabh Sinha, that he has taken E from the E block, and mid wing he has taken mid. So that is how he has kept the name as E mids. That is how the name has come up.
Okay.
It's like a very personal story of Saurabh Sinha. I think most of us even will not guess this because like we feel like something it's related to any healthcare or medicines. We feel like that. Yeah, I'm just opening the PPT. Let me know if my screen is visible.
Yeah, it's visible for me.
Okay. So guys, we are done with ARC, Policy Hub and Ninchpin. As per no need to worry, this is not for us. Okay. So then we have insurance. Okay. So guys, this insurance, we have the insurance provider is Medi Assistance, and it's like Edify Insurance, and insurance company is Go Digit, and TPA is Medi Assistant India Private Limited. Okay. So the company will be giving you the policies. It will be a family floater, guys. So it will be like 4 lakhs per family. Okay. There is a change in the this thing. Okay. Policy. Now, companies before they used to give 3 lakh and 4 lakh. Now it is completely you have a policy for 4 lakhs per family, guys. So every employee will be getting 4 lakhs per insurance coverage from the company itself. So coverage means how like what all members will be covered in like. See, it is like employee, spouse, and up to 2 children. Parents are not involved here, guys. Okay, so only employee, spouse, and up to 2 children will be getting a coverage of 4 lakhs per family. 4 lakhs per family means it is like complete for all the 4 people, it will be 4 lakh. It's not that employee 4 lakhs, spouse 4 lakh, children 4 lakh. So 4 lakhs will be completely for all. So all four can utilize the 4 lakh services. And if employee is unmarried, then only employee will get an this thing of 4 lakh. Okay, in future, if spouse or children are added, you can just write to HRFN tickets and saying that, hey, please update my marriage details and my spouse details and children's details. So that is where at the time of updating, we will loop insurance team also, so that even those people will be covered in the insurance. Okay. So guys, I will tell you on the parental policy and added. Okay, this is about the company provided. Okay, if 4 lakh is not enough, just go for top up. Like 4 lakh plus 1 lakh, 4 lakh plus 2 lakh, 4 lakh plus 3 lakh. So for this, you have to pay premium, certain premium, guys. This will be deducted from your salary. This you have to only once you opt only it will be deducted. No need to worry either we have to give any confirmation or not. Okay, see, basically once you are into organization, if you're permanent employee, 4 lakhs will be your fixed, company will be given to you. If you want to opt, then only you have to write an email to insurance company saying that I will opt for this, then they will get your confirmation, then only it will be created from you. Like that only they'll not credit. Okay, it will have a separate process. Okay, same way parental policies. So parental policies also, if you want any opt for any insurance for your parents, you have to contact to insurance team. If it's not contact means, you can always write to HRF and tickets also. I want to check on the parental insurance, I want to act. What we do is we will loop insurance team there and we will tell them to connect with you. So they will tell you and they'll get all the documents and they'll do all the proceedings. Okay, that is how it will run. Okay, so I will just give you the insurance guy number also. Okay, so this is the number, guys. Yeah, Mr. Yogesh. Okay, this is the insurance guy. Okay, you can always call to him or you can write to yogesh.n@85brokers.com. Okay, so whatever questions you have related to insurance, you can always redirect to him. If you ever feel like I will not reach out to him, you can always reach out to me or HRF and tickets also, saying that, hey guys, I need an help on the insurance. So what we do is we will connect with you with Yogesh. Okay, we will loop Yogesh there and he'll tell them to help you there. Okay, but just make a note of this number just for future references. Okay.
Yeah.
Let me know once done. I'll move on to next.
It's fine.
Done, guys?
Yeah, done. So, Kishore, so suppose it's like what you said, like if we have to include our parents or
Mhm.
in-laws, then we have to
Mhm.
drop them a mail so that
Yes,
it can
sir.
be
Yes.
included.
So what you can do is you can drop to HRF and tickets only. Okay. So no,
Okay, okay,
you can directly write to Yogesh, or if you want us to be notified also. So what we can do is the better idea is to write to HRF and tickets so that even we will monitor your request. If you are writing directly to Yogesh, he might take some time. Okay. So what you do is write through HR tickets. Okay, or write through HR tickets means you can write to Yogesh and keep us in CC, or you can do write to HR tickets only. Hey team, I just need to check on parental insurance. So what we do is we will loop Yogesh there only, so that even we will be in the loop and we will be seeing what Yogesh. If Yogesh doesn't respond, we will give him reminder.
okay, fine. That will do. Thank you.
Okay,
Yeah.
but if you want to check on the any parental or premium and all, if you want to get connect with him, you can call him only. You have his number. So that also you can do. But if you don't feel like connecting with him, just write HRF tickets so that we will get to connect with the Yogesh.
Okay, yeah.
Okay. So then I'll move on to next one. Okay. This employee insurance now it is not there. It was like for COVID team, the COVID time. Okay. Then we have salary thing. Okay. So guys, your salary pay date will be your last business working day of the month. Okay, so people who are joined after 20th, they will get their salary for that particular month in next month on pro rata basis. Okay, now we have joined before 20th, no need to worry, you will be getting the salary by last working day of this month. Okay, no need to worry. And as I told, payroll login, you will be able to log in only after your first salary is credited. Okay, so if you have any doubt on the payroll thing, you can always write to payroll-tickets@emails.com. Like on any tax declaration, anything, form 11, form 16, you want to know anything, you can just write to payroll-tickets@emails.com. Okay, so then we will go with bank account, guys. So in Emacs, Kotak Mahindra is a mandatory bank account. Okay, so bank account, how it will work, I'll tell you. So guys, after this PPT, I'll show you PF form. You have to fill that PF form and send it to me by tomorrow UOD. Okay, so max to max by tomorrow EMOD, or you'll take one more day time, that is fine. Okay, so you just have to share with me. So what we do is our team will share the details with bank account and payroll team. Okay, so your account initiation will start. It will take minimum 15 working days, guys. So take an example, we are already sitting in 16 January. So 15 days means it will be by end of the January. So you might also ask, what if by 30th, so 30th will be our salary, right? 30th or 31st. Okay, so we have 30, 31st. Okay, so you might ask, what if account is not activated before my salary is due? So that time, no need to worry. If account is not activated within the time, that salary will be credited to your personal bank account. Okay, they will contact you, they'll take your confirmation, then only they'll credit. Okay, so where you will fill that personal details, personal bank account details, I'll tell you when I'm telling on the PF form. Okay, so next, once the account is activated, it will be through your uh, Kotak bank account only. But what if you have a already Kotak bank account? I'll tell you where to fill in that details. Okay, just make a note of this guy's number. Same way as insurance, take a note of this number. Here also this, if you have anything issue on bank account, write to hrfundtickets@teammates.com. If you don't want to connect with Supratik, but if you want to have a personal touch with him, just make a note of this number and mail ID. Yes, 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 yes. No, it's like Kotak Mahindra is mandatory for all. You have to open a new account. No, see, as I told, I'll be sharing the PF form. Okay, so once you fill back the PF form and share with me, it will take minimum 15 working days. You'll get to know. You will get to know when the account is open. Or you can check the status writing to HRFN tickets only, saying that, hey team, I just want to know on the status of my bank account. Okay, you can write to HRFN tickets, or you can ping me and ask Kishore, I want to just know on my account status. Okay, that also you can do. Okay, so guys, this number you have noted down, right? I'll move on to next.
Yes.
Okay, so then we have the surveys, guys. Okay, I'll tell you. So after your record is created, once you got all the access, you will get 3 emails from ARC support, guys. Okay, 3 emails will be getting. One is day one experience survey and handbook and NDA and appointment letter. Okay, so handbook, see, handbook is just a PDF document where it will tell you what you have to do on initial 4-5 days. So whatever I have explained here, those things only will be in that handbook PDF document. Okay, just make use of that handbook at least 4-5 days, because initially you might be not knowing anyone from your team, or you don't know which project you are into. So just open that handbook and see what is mentioned there. Okay, so whatever I have explained here, those things only will be there. But if you want to utilize, you can utilize that handbook. And one more thing is you will get day one experience survey. Okay, this is mandatory, guys. So we have 3 mandatory surveys you have to update. One is day one, day 90, and annual. Day one is will be getting by today end of the day, or tomorrow end of the day. You might get this survey link. Day 90 will be after 3 months. Annual will be 1 year. Okay, so day one survey, what it includes is like this. So the questions will be like this, guys. Wait, I'll just show you. Okay, this is how the questions will be. How satisfied with your overall interview process? How satisfied with your offer process? How satisfied? How would you rate your day one experience? So these 3 questions will be given. Input criteria 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. You have to give 1, 2, 3, 4 means like this: extremely dissatisfied, not satisfied, neutral, satisfied, extremely satisfied. This is how you will give your comments here, feedback, and submit. Okay, this you will be getting to your office mail ID, guys. So your office mail ID, you'll get to know from IT team. As I told you, they'll call you on personal mobile number by noon or evening. You can check with them only what will be your office mail ID. Okay, so that will be your office mail ID. If you go to inbox, once Outlook is configured, go to inbox, you'll get all those emails. Just click on this joining experience survey and give all your comments and submit. This is mandatory. You have to do. Okay.
Okay. Yeah.
Okay, Kishore.
Okay, so we are almost come for the last part of the meeting, guys. So we have just PDF form. I'm just stop sharing and I'll just open the PDF document.
Kishore, one more thing. So tomorrow also, should we be joining this link only or like?
No, this is done. This is done, Satosh. Yeah, this is done.
Okay.
So see, this onboarding call is done. After this, you'll be having only 1 day full induction. That you will get to know. You will get an email.
Okay.
You will get a Teams link only, a meeting. So where it will show
Okay.
as induction. That 1 day full day you have to attend. That's it. Then you don't have any inductions. So you'll have IT induction after this. That they'll call you on personal mobile and they'll tell you what to do. That's all. But this is
Okay.
done for the day. I mean, onboarding is done. You don't have to
Okay.
attend again.
Okay.
Only
Okay,
1 day
fine,
full
yeah.
induction will be there that you have to attend. That will be on this week or next week Friday or next to next week Friday. You'll get an this thing link you'll get there also. The thing, guys, if you are leave on that particular day, no need to worry. See, this induction will be going on for every week. So what you can do is, see, take an example. Next Friday you have the induction call. You are on leave that particular day. No need to worry. You tell your reporting manager saying that next time when the induction happens for the next batch, there you can attend. Okay, that also you can do. But this is like mandatory. This is like your day one onboarding, right? This done, almost done. I'll be explaining on the PF form and I'll be giving you a reporting manager and HRBP details. Then we are done. You can just take a break and by evening you'll get a call from IT and they'll tell you what to do.
Okay.
Okay, that's.
Okay, just a minute. I'm just opening the PEF forms. So guys, this PEF forms I'll be sending to your personal mail ID, guys. Just because this office mail ID will take time to get configured, right? So what we do is I will be sharing to your personal mail ID, whichever you have given at the time of onboarding. So just make sure you just this particular mail only will be sent to your personal mail ID. Just check what are the for today. You check whatever mails we send and reply to that. Then from tomorrow you can use your office mail ID.
Yeah. Okay, Kishore. Yeah.
See, as it will take time to configure, right? We just want you to give the details as soon as possible. Like by tomorrow, end of the day, you can give a max to max. If tomorrow also it's not possible, take 1 more day. Okay. So I'm just sharing my screen. Let me know if my screen is visible.
Yeah, it's visible.
Okay. So guys, this is the PF form. Okay. And as I told, it will be only applicable for permanent employees. I think all of you 7 people are like permanent employees only. So for all you, it will be applicable. Okay. So this is the Excel, guys. Here you don't have to take any printout or anything. You can, it is editable. You can write it here only. Okay. You just have to write it. So before to write, I will also send one PDF form with this. So before writing, just go through this PDF form and fill in the details. Okay. Because here clearly it will tell you what you have to do. Okay. See, here it is clearly given how to fill the Form 11 FAQ. Okay, see, name of the member. Please write your name as per Aadhaar. Father name. Please write your father name as per Aadhaar. Date of birth. Please write as per your Aadhaar. Okay, like this. Okay, clearly it will be given mentioned here only. You just read this and then only you fill in that details. But I'll also explain what to enter. Okay, so name of the member will be your name, father name or spouse name, date of birth, gender, marital status, email ID. So email ID will be your personal mail ID and personal mobile number. Okay, so guys, 7 and 8, you have to fill only if yes, if you are earlier a member of Employee Provident Scheme 1952. And this too, how you will get to know? You can log into EPF portal and you can check. Here only in the PDF form only it is clearly mentioned here. Okay. Yes, if your earlier member has given you the PF. Okay. How process to check EPF balance? Clearly here only they have given. To just go through this and fill in. Okay, so 7 and 8 you just have to fill yes or no. Okay, then 9 and 11 are crucial guys. 10 no need to worry. If at all you are worked outside India, then only have to give yes and give the details. So most of us will be no, so give no and leave. So 9 and 11 are crucial. Okay, so 9, what all you have to enter? Your UAN number, universal account number, your previous PF account numbers. So guys, previous PF account means if your immediate previous employment. It's like your last company. Okay, it's like immediate employment. Okay, you just have to give the previous PF account number and the date of exit. Date of exit means last working day in that particular company. Guys, this UAN number, PF account and date of exit, make sure you give the correct one. Because if you want to transfer the PF balance from old account, right? These things are crucial. Okay. Make sure you give the.
Yeah, if we don't have the PF account in previous organization, and but in just before that second last organization we have a PF account, so what would be the date of exit?
Okay. 1 minute. So you're telling the previous second employment. Okay. So got it. So that can be, so here you can also this you can check with the see these all details like these doubts you can just mention over the email. Okay, so I'll tell you. Okay, I was telling on the bank account also. So one of you might have Kotak Mahindra account, active account. So what you have to do? So what you do is we will be sending an email. No, mention under a note. Write a note and write. So you can write under a note only. Previous company I did not have PF account number. But like last to last previous company I had PF account number. Can I give the same? So what we do is we will check with the when you reply, we will forward that email to this thing bank account team and ask if this is okay. Then we'll ask them to give the details. Okay, just mention under the note.
Okay, so
Okay,
where
I'll tell you how this note will be. Wait, I'll show you that email also. It will be clear for you. Okay, so guys, this is the email I'll be sending for you. This is visible.
Yes.
Okay, so here you will give all the details. No, here only under somewhere you mention note. Okay, mention note. Here only clearly everything will be given to you. You just have to read full and you have to reply. So here while replying only under note, please mention, hey Kishore, I have last previous PF account is not available. Can I give my last to last previous PF account number? So we'll forward that email same to bank account, and if they're okay, we will tell you to give. Same
Okay.
way, if at all, if you have Kotak Mahindra account, okay, just write under note, I have active Kotak Mahindra account. Can I use the same? Whatever doubts you have, you can mention under the note. So we will get back with you the response because we are not the right person to decide, right? So we will ask the bank team if they are okay. We'll tell you to go ahead.
Okay.
Okay. So guys, A, B, C, you have to fill. D and E, no need to fill because if you have to fill only if it's issued, like scheme certificate issued, pension payment order issued. Okay. Then 10 I've told it's not compulsory. If at all you have worked outside India, then only you have to give the details. Then no. Okay. Then 11. Okay. Here is where you have to give your personal bank account number and IFSC code. So personal bank account number means it should be in your name only. It should not be any under joint account. Okay, just give your personal bank account number so that if activation doesn't happen in time, they will credit the salary to your personal bank account number, whichever you have given here. But they'll take confirmation before doing it.
Okay.
In the personal bank account number, can we give the bank account number of our previous salary account? Like it was for me, it was in ICICI, so that was a single account. So can I give that account, or it has to be like joint account?
Okay, so Satyajit, you can give any account, but make sure, see, that account is in which is frequently used. Because I'll tell you, if there is any issue in that reflecting balance or crediting, no, you will not get that amount in that account also. Just make sure you give the which is like frequently used, so that if you transfer any amount, it will reflect in that bank account, means that is fine. Because this will happen through transfer only, right?
Okay, got it. Yeah.
So if at all, if transfer option is available for that particular, if you transfer, take an example, now only if I transfer 10,000 to that account, that should reflect in that account. If that is there, you can give, but make sure whichever account you are giving, it is in frequently used. Because frequently, if we give any dead accounts, right, again, there will be an issue. You might not, that amount will soon will not reflect to, then you have to go back to bank account, bank people, you have to tell them all that circles we have to do. Just make sure whichever account you're giving, it's in frequent use.
Kishore, I'm already having a Kotak account which is active. So can I give the Kotak one?
Yes, Ashlyn. So mention whenever I'm sharing that PF form email, no, while sharing back the PF form, no, just mention under the note, I have already Kotak Mahindra bank account, and I would like to use the same.
Okay.
Okay, so what we do is we will check with the bank account. If they are okay, we'll tell you to share the details.
Okay.
Just mention under the note whenever you're replying to that email,
Okay.
where email I'll be sharing with you. So guys, whatever doubt you have here, no, just mention under the note itself. Because if I am not the right person, I'll ask the bank team to respond to you, or we'll get the reply from them and we'll respond to you. Okay, just make sure whatever you doubt you have there, mention under the note itself, so that we'll be aware that you have this doubt.
Yeah. Okay.
Okay, actually mention under the note itself, but personal bank account, you can give same account, or you can give any other account also if you have.
Okay. Okay.
So guys, yeah, then you have to give Aadhaar number and PAN number. That is sufficient. Then no need to fill anything. Done. Only these things you have to fill and share it with me. With this, I'll be sharing PDF form also. Just go through the PDF form. If you have any doubt, just go to that and make use of that PDF form. Then you can fill in. Okay, here only PDF form, clearly it will tell you what all you have to enter. Part of this, you got any doubt also, you can always ping me, or you just reply to my email saying that whatever doubt you have that towards that email, just reply to that email only, ask on the doubt there and okay, ask there only. Okay, so
Okay, Kishore.
yes guys, so for any doubt on anything, we're almost end of the call. Any doubt on anything else?
No,
No
everything.
questions from my side.
So Someshwara, now you don't have to do anything. Only you'll get a phone call from the IT team. Okay, they'll guide you. Okay, so they'll guide you and they'll tell you on the laptop also. Till then, relax, no need to worry. So I think they'll tell you to log in from personal laptop. So personal laptop, I have already pinged the ARC path. Okay, use that and you start working only on ARC. Like you update work from home and leave. And if you want to surf on the ARC, you can surf. You, as I told, some fields you can go and check, right? You can do that. So till time being, you can just check on our ARC and see whatever is there in the arc you can fill. Like you have linchpin courses also, so you have 8 to 12 working days, so within that you can finish. Yes, officially you have joined. Your date of joining is today. No, you'll get so once you log in into my arc, no, I have told your employee ID, everything will be displayed. So there you can get to know all your name, designation, photo, everything will come there. That is where you have to check and tell us if any change we have to do. Just mention to HRFN tickets.
Yeah, so
Okay.
Kishore, like ARC, that only after user ID and credentials are created, after that only we can log into ARC, right?
Yes,
Because
Santosh. Yeah,
Rajasthan is
it's
asking
like
for
what
username
happens,
password.
right?
Yeah.
So we are like 7 people, right? So my maximum by noon, you will get a call from Bhaskaran. If it's from Bangalore, it's Bhaskaran. You'll get. So Bangalore and Hyderabad, it will be mostly Bhaskaran only, or from Hyderabad team, it will be different. You'll get to know. You'll get a call from IT team saying that they will give you all the credentials and they'll tell you what to do also. Okay. You will get
Okay.
to know from them only.
Okay.
So
Okay.
then
Okay.
from
Fine.
tomorrow or today, end of the day, your main work is to update work from home. Okay, that main thing you do. That is the main thing. Okay. Apart from that, from tomorrow, you can just log into Arc and see what all fields I've explained. No, like policies and all, you can go and have a look. Linchpin, you can go and have a look. Emits Academy, you can go and have a look. My area, you can check what all the details is displaying. So all those
Okay.
things you can do initially.
And also, I mean, also if I want to log into Teams, Microsoft Teams, once I get
Ah.
the credentials, so I can use that to log into Teams, right? So
Yes,
I
yes,
can ping
yes.
you if.
Once they will only get all this configuration setup, like Outlook, Teams, and all. They'll get it set up in the laptop. I think once you got the new laptop, they'll set up. It's like if it's required in old your personal laptop, they will do. I think it's not required in the personal laptop, or they'll tell you to use it on webmail like Google Chrome. Okay, for
I
time
got it.
being in
Okay. Great.
personal laptop, they'll tell you to use the Google Chrome version. That is like Outlook 365.
Yeah.
Okay, but
Okay.
once you got the new laptop, right, separate this thing will be added to you, like Outlook. It's like
Yeah.
application will
Okay.
be added to you. There you can use. Then no webmail.
Okay.
Okay. So guys, I'm just giving you your HRBP name, my mail ID, RM name, and mail ID. Just be on call. So meanwhile, if you have any doubt, you can just ask me there. Yes, go ahead, Someshwara. Okay. Mm. Okay. That is okay. That is okay, Sumeshwara, because your onboarding team will be checking with you on those documents. I think reviewing letter, it will take time, no? Minimum 45 days, you have time to settle. Okay, that time you'll have. Anyways, that onboarding team will be doing that. That no need to worry. That is okay. Anyways, reviewing letter, minimum 45 days or 50 days. See, 45 days, basically, sometimes it will not take 45 days. Sometimes it may take 50 days also. It's okay. You can just inform this to whenever they are reaching out to you. Anyways, they'll call you on the mobile only. Okay, okay, okay. Okay, okay. I think, yeah, you have time then.
Kishore, this ARC link will be provided by today itself.
Arc link I have pinged in the chat, but also you'll get an email from IT Induction. Okay, they will send you a PDF document where what all ID you have to log in, it will be there only. But you can get from them also, actually. Like once they give all the credentials, right? See, the credentials which they give for Outlook, Arc is same. Okay, so username will be given. Take an example. Your name is Ashley Maria, right? So your username might be Ashley name. Okay, so ashlyn.m@image.com will be your username. So that will be your username for Outlook, Arc, and also Teams. Password will be different. Okay, password you can keep. So for initial, it will be set up by IT team and they'll tell you to reset. Okay, then you can see it. But this will remain, username will remain for all same. Teams, Outlook, Arc. Same way with all. So same way with like Someshwara Rao, which your Someshwara Rao, like Someshwar.r or Rao will be teammates.com will be your username. Like Someshwara.Rao will be your username. You'll get to know. Like Someshwar Rao will be your username. Like Ashlyn, it will be like Ashley name will be your username. You'll get to know.
Okay. Okay.
IT will guide you that. But I'm just telling you this is how they give the name. So it's like combination, guys. So name, Outlook, ID or Office mail ID will be a combination of your first name and last name. Same way with user account. Okay, it's a combination of first and last name. Sandeep, your name is just Sandeep, is right? Sandeep, if you are speaking, I think you are on mute.
Is Kishore?
No, your name is just Sandeep, yes, right?
No, Sandeep's Rampudi. It's
Okay.
yeah.
Because yeah, see the whatever name I will putting on the chat, no need to worry. So your names will
Okay.
be created as per your documents only, mostly as per your Aadhaar.
Okay, Kishore.
The first name, last name here and there, it's fine because this list, whatever I'm sharing the name here, that will be not your name on the system. Okay, it will be as per your documents only. Like mostly it will be on Aadhaar. Just give me a minute, guys. I'm just fetching the data like RM mail ID and HRBP mail ID. So guys, some might be on the Launchpad project. Okay, so those people like still you have time to be allocated to certain projects. So that time no need to worry till they allocate you to the project. Uh, it's okay. You can just check with your HRBP like what will be my project. Okay, some are directly into project, so it will take time. No need to panic. It's like yeah, it will sometimes it will take time you to start the work. Some might start immediately, some might take time and you might start by next week also. Anyways, your laptop will take some time to reach to you, right? It's okay.
Okay.
Meanwhile, you get any doubt on anything, you can reach out to me or you can check with your HRBP also. They'll be helpful for you. HRBP ID. Like all of you are using this link from laptop only, right? Is any of you people are using from mobile?
I'm connected from mobile.
I think Ashlyn, you might be not able to see. If you able to see, that's well and fine. If you're not able to see in this, whatever things I'm updating on Teams chat, no need to worry. Once you got all the access, no, just ping me on the Teams.
Okay.
I'll get you the details. Okay, just a minute with all the details. I'm just pasting it on the chat. Okay. Okay, guys, I've just pasted on the chat. You can just see, scroll to your right and check if everything is correct. Yes, did everyone make the note of the ID and HRBP ID? Let me know once it's done.
So we need to save this one, right?
No, you can note it somewhere so that you can contact with them. See, once you got all the access, you will get to know in Teams and who's your reporting manager. But HRBP only you will not get to know. Just make a note of HRBP. See, in my area also you'll get to know your reporting manager. Karthik, you're joining from different user ID. Karthik, if you're speaking, I think you're on mute. I think I can see two user IDs.
No, same here.
Okay.
Power has gone, that's why. Next.
It's okay. You got it.
Okay.
Just make a note of this information, Karthik. Your RM ID, name, HRBP ID, and name. So Sintu, Karthik, Chandana, Someshwara, Ashlin, Sandeep, Saturja, and Karthik. And so far, any doubts on anything or anything you want to know?
No,
I'm
it's
fine
clear
from my
actually. We're
side.
taking the notes section.
Okay. So guys, then that's it for the day. I wish you all the best, guys. Heartily welcome to Emates again. So we wish you best of luck for your future. Hope we will continue this for more years. If anything, you can always reach out to me. As I told again, I'm repeating, Kishore Sudarshan will be my team's name. And you can always write to HRF and tickets also. If anything is you want to know some any information or anything, you can always write to that mail ID.
Okay.
Okay. If we
Yes,
are
yes,
done, then we
sure.
can exit the call, guys. You can carry on with your other works.
Yeah, thank you, Kishore. Thank you.
Thank you, guys.
Thank you.
Thank you so much.
Thank
Guys,
you.
it was nice speaking
Thanks,
to you all.
Kishore. Yeah, thank you.